Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen amma ba'd fa'uz billahi minash shaitanir rajeem bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allah's name start with the most merciful Rahmanir Rahim. Today is my first video on my YouTube channel in which I'm creating my story. How did I become a YouTuber and how I started this journey. In this video I'll tell about myself. So this is a very interesting video for you because in this video I'll speak out totally English but not Sindhi. I know you speak Sindhi and Urdu, but I don't want to speak here in Sindhi like you, okay? So I'm an English content creator since 2020. I created my channel in 2020, June 8th, and when I was studying in University of New Technology, Lahore. And basically I'm an engineer and graduated from UT Lahore in 2022. And there was a current situation at the COVID-19 period. During the situation, I was sitting in my home, so I thought how I can generate money from online from home. So I watched a video on my YouTube channel. So there was a person who was asking or telling me you can generate more revenue from this website. If you can less this way link, you will earn dollars. So I was shocked. I think it's not real, but literally I think it's pretty cool. But when I link this, I search a lot of how can I generate more revenue from this territory especially, and then I search on Google and YouTube especially how I can make money on online from home. So I remember I wasted a lot of time at the time, but there was no any person in the YouTube channel, especially in the world, who told me this is wasting of time. So I remember there was a person, there was a YouTuber, I don't know his name. I watched his video on the YouTube channel. He don't waste your time, so come on the YouTube. So YouTube is the best platform and you can earn a lot of money from YouTube and blogging and skills. If you have 3 things, you are able to earn money a lot online from your home. So I decided, I use many apps. I created my account in cryptocurrency. I have a lot of experience in cryptocurrency and Bitcoins. I created accounts in Bitcoin, blockchain account, but literally I couldn't get anything from them. And Dogecoin, everything I know about that, but I left. And then I started on a YouTube channel. As a beginner, I don't know about that. How to create a thumbnail, how to SEO a video, how to create a thumbnail, how to rank my videos. I don't know about that. But as a beginner, I started my YouTube channel and came into the field. And I decided to earn more money online. But as soon as time was passing, my thoughts, my knowledge was increasing day by day. And I decided to increase my first video in Sindhi, I know, and I hint and target many personalities like biography, history. I create my channel first in history, but there is no value of history, especially in my mind. I don't know about that at that time, but right now I know well about that. So finally I got monetized, and I think my YouTube channel in 2022, and after 2 years of hard working, I monetized my channel and I generate money from YouTube in 2020. So I think in 2022. So this was my story, but I think I highly recommend you. There's no any platform in the world you can generate money online, but I recommend you, if you want to earn money, there's one Facebook and there's your Amazon. There's only 3 ways to earn money in Pakistan. So first is YouTube, and second one is blogging, and third one is skill. If you learn some skills, you are able to do job online and freelancer. You become a freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, and as well as a lot of platforms, Amazon. And I have did course, virtual assistant, Amazon FBA, but I couldn't find any client from the United States and other countries, so I left it. But my YouTube channel, I content create my English as the viewership my English, especially from other countries. So I like that, and I'll keep on. And I'm first YouTuber in City Tarimira who succeeded in mission, and a successful YouTuber in my county, in my city. So I appreciate and I'm thankful to all members, my subscribers who support me, and especially from United States. So they listen to me and they watch my videos and like my videos. So that's my story, which I will tell you about that. And I highly recommend you. YouTube is the best platform. Come and create the great content and monetize your content, but it should be real. You don't use content on your YouTube channel, especially you can't monetize. So this was the information which I will give you in this one video. So this is my story, and which I will give you in this one video. I told you in this one video. So this was the information, and finally I got monetized and I applied check. Was the information I have told you in this one video. So I hope you like it and share with your friends. So thanks for watching. Allah Nagawan.